Alright you aviating Queenslanders, and if you are further afield, you too are more than welcome also. Here's something you shouldn't miss. Many of you pilot types love to fly to a meetup, eat and coffee when you get there. So have a chew on this. Maryborough Aero Club Queensland has made many flying visits to local clubs for the very tempting and delicious cooked breakfasts over the years. But now it's time for us to put on a feast for you and yours. Maryborough Aero Club at Yankee Mike Yankee Bravo, that's YMYB, Maryborough, Queensland, are pleased to announce that we will be firing up the barbecue to once again cook up an absolute feast of sausages, bacon, eggs and beans, plus all the usual extras. More info shortly, but here are more reasons to come. On the same day will be the launch of the new Maryborough Military Aviation Museum at the airfield. We are all invited to attend a turf turning ceremony. Then I also suggested, how about I also do the unveiling of the rebuilt Sparkles microlight too? And we will. See Sparkles version 2.0 after she has been resurrected from the wreckage. So whatever you do, fly in or drive into Maryborough Airfield for the 18th of September 2022 breakfast. It will be well worth the $15 per person, and please make sure you RSVP with attendee numbers to secretary@maryboroughaeroclub.com. If pilots from other areas wish to fly in on Saturday, they are welcome to bunk down in the Aero Club building. Maryborough is very accommodating for those that wish to use alternative options. Accommodation link in the description. If you need transport, please ask us when you RSVP. Takeaway is available Saturday night across the road from the airport, open until 7:30 p.m. So come along, Sunday 18th of September at the Maryborough Queensland Airport. You may even like to come on Friday and enjoy a full weekend in the heritage city. We're all looking forward to hearing from you soon and seeing you there with your shiny flying machine. See the description below this video for details.